Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see Messenger logged in devices. So let's get started. So if you want to know how many devices your Messenger account has been logged into, so to know that, what you can do is just simply open up your Messenger application. After opening up your Messenger application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on the three-bar icon, just tap on the gear icon which is on the top, and after tapping on that, just scroll all the way down and you can find this option which is account center. So if you can't see that option in your Messenger application, then what you have to do is just simply update your Messenger app. Because you have not updated your Messenger app, you might not access this feature, so just simply update your Messenger app from Play Store, and after updating your Messenger application, just scroll all the way down inside your account settings and you can find this option. So from here, what you can do is just simply tap on see more in account center. So after tapping on see more in account center, now what you can do is simply tap on personal details, and after tapping on see more in account center, now what you can do is inside your account settings, tap on password and security. After tapping on password and security, inside your security check-ins, you can find this first option which is where you're logged in. So you can just tap on that option which is where you're logged in, and from here what you have to do is you have to select your Facebook. So your Facebook and Messenger are linked with each other, right? So if you logged into your Facebook account, you can also access your Messenger account. So in that way they both are connected, and if your Messenger account is logged into any other device, that means your Facebook account is also logged in with that device. So now what you can do is you can just simply see all the devices that has been logged in. So what you have to do is just simply tap on the Facebook option, so you can find a small Facebook icon in your profile. So what you have to do is just tap on that, and after tapping on that you can access all the devices. So from here what you have to do is just tap on this option which is select devices to log out, and after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just select the following devices that you would like to log out. After selecting those devices, just tap on logout which is on the bottom of your screen, and after tapping on logout you'll successfully log out from your device. But before logging out, you might have to enter your account's password, and after entering your account's password you will successfully log out from your device. So that's it guys, this is how to see Messenger logged in devices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.